Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to start a Rolls-Royce Ghost, only way. Insert the key fob into your pocket or cabin sensor, press the brake firmly, and push the start button once. Watch the dash system complete its checks and allow the electric pump to prime. Listen for the soft ignition sequence and wait until all warning lights clear before driving. This simple routine protects the drivetrain and ensures a smooth startup every time. Begin by confirming doors are closed and the key fob is nearby to allow system recognition. Place your foot on the brake and keep it there while you engage the start sequence. Press the engine start button and observe the instrument cluster as it runs initial diagnostics. Wait until all indicators settle and the ready light appears. Once ready, you can gently release the parking brake and proceed with confidence down the road. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can bring you more clear car tips. Quick recommendation: I keep an Echo Dot in the garage for music and voice commands while working on the car. It makes the process more fun and hands-free. You'll find the link and special deals in the description, and it supports the channel if you choose to buy. Now let's get back to the video. Always check for any persistent warning lights before driving, and address faults rather than forcing a start. Allow the vehicle systems a few seconds to initialize so pumps and electronics reach operational status. If anything feels unusual, power down and consult a technician rather than risking damage. Regular maintenance and following the proper start routine helps preserve the car's systems and ensures a reliable, smooth experience each time you take the wheel.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.